So what I'm going to do in my talk is give you some facts about where we are with the prevalence of obesity, give an illustration of the myths propagated partly by media, and I'm afraid to say by our profession, and then give an explanation how possibly we could debunk some of these myths, looking at the causes and the consequences, and the real challenge if we're going to actually address this awful issue of obesity moving forward in this century. And as I've said, I will illustrate my talk largely from newspaper headlines, and I think it's important that I make acknowledgements to the Times, the Daily Telegraph, the Guardian, the Daily Mail, the BBC News, the Lancet and the British Medical Journal. And I must say that Julian's opening statement about me in the library was fake news. And I also have no conflicts of interest to declare. Now, the starting point, I think, is very sad. This is a map of the world, as you can well see, but what it is doing is illustrating the prevalence of obesity or overweight. Overweight is the red, mauve is the obesity levels, and in women and in men. So red, and if you're the President of the United States, remember he's overweight, he's not obese. That's illustrated here. And I mean, what is so dramatic is, firstly, look at Egypt. And the Middle East, it's so small you can't really see, but a lot of the Middle Eastern countries now are incredibly obese. And of course, prevalence of diabetes is just phenomenal.